ATPT currently at 0003, starting to move. There's 91 million shares traded right now, and looking back into the history of this chart, we have not seen any volume like this since October 24, 2011. So that is a long time. We have not seen anything like this, and I'm trying to actually, if I could get this thing in here a little bit here. We haven't even seen this share price in that long. So that is a movement here with this one that we're starting to see coming off this bottom. I mean, we'll see what Joe has to say as far as like the company, if it's a speculation, just nothing. Like I said, 0002 is where I first brought it up. I said 0001, but I mean, we were watching this thing. There wasn't any movement in this at all at that time, but now we're starting to see the movement going on here. 0003 could it keep going? Very possible, but it's just starting right now. I would definitely put it on a watch list. Nothing to write home about just yet, but I would definitely keep an eye on this one. I'm not sure exactly why it's moving. If there's speculation, possible 8K I'm seeing here, we would have to take a look into it a little bit. Okay, so volume coming in. All right, Joe, you can take over. Ready?
All right, so let's see. There was an RW on April 13th, 2000. Oh, that's 2016. All right, I'm glad I caught that right away. All right, so that was the last thing that was posted in their filings. There's a stop sign with pink, no information. The last thing that was over here was the RW, but it was an RW was this was a the registrant believes. Let's see. All State Properties Holdings Incorporated hereby requests immediate withdrawal of its request to terminate the registration of its common shares of the Exchange Act, which was filed with the Securities Exchange Commission on January 4th, 2016. The registrant believes the withdrawal of the Form 15 is consistent with the public interest and protection of its investors. All right, so the registrant is withdrawing the Form 15 because while it believes that the number of common shareholders is less than 500, as is required under Section 12G, it needs additional time to substantiate that belief. All right, so that was the last thing that was filed from these guys. Let's see if there's any news or whatnot. No news. Their last press release I'm seeing over here was from 2012.
2012.
If there's anything on there, 2012.
This one's gonna be a speculator.
Yeah, definitely.
Speculator.
So for the business description, it says the company is involved in the procurement, development, and production of oil and natural gas. And yeah, the share structure, it's just too old for me. Like it's showing that it's like from 2010. So the authorized in 2010 was 7 billion. All right, so if you have an opinion on the company, just go right over to that ATPT board and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, 0004 now. Watch 0003. You know what? I'm gonna mark this one down to 0002 because you guys that were watching us live, you guys seen that we were covering this one well before this one started running. 0002 now. Watch volume coming in. It hasn't seen this kind of volume since 2011. Seems to be speculation at this point. Watch it. My opinion could be setting up for a run. Now at 0004, you're probably going to have your resistance level around 0004. Seems to be about normal for this one. Not this one, but these in general. 0004 and possibly 0006 and then 001. But we'll watch it. ATPT, again, this one's starting to move right now. And we called it first down here at the bottom on investorshangout.com/live. And remember, if this is your first time watching, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate it very much. Get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards and forums. If you have a hot stock that you'd like to share with us as well, let us know about it over at investorshangout.com/live.